Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. I want to give it a shout out to Alexia from Maxjoy company. This is a 22mm hybrid sports watch band, vintage leather, sweatproof strap with a metal collapse replacement for your Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. You could also use it with Smart Gear S3, Frontier, Classic, or any other watches that uses 22 millimeters. This color is the dark brown color. They offer three different colors. They got black, brown, or dark brown. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So here it is. Oh, wow. So I got two of them. One is the dark brown color, and then second one is the black color. So it offers silicone and waterproof and then sweat proof. And then these are the genuine leather layer. Let's go and then open one real quick. And let's check out the dark brown. Let me show you guys the box real quick. And this is made in China. So here it is. You have a nice stitching. This anodized black buckle right here. And this will fit the wrist, range from 160 millimeter to 220 millimeter, okay? And this one has like a special groove, inner surface for better airflow. And then this is a comfortable and then durable band. And it's you could twist it without any problem. Got this vintage leather exterior finish. And come with this quick release pin. So it's easy to install on your smartwatches. So, go ahead and check out the black one. This one, they give you like a 12-month warranty. So they ensure that you're gonna be satisfied with their product. Either a free replacement or they offer a free refund. So it is suitable for 6.3 inch to 8.6 inch. So let's go ahead and test on this real quick on my watch. This is the 46 millimeter. So make sure you put the pin into the hole, and then just pull this leveler down. Make sure you hear a click. Oh, that was fast. And then be sure this is on top. All right, there you go. So in case you guys have a brown suit or brown dress, you want to match it, go ahead and put this on. Okay, looks pretty awesome. You can wear this to your office to do workout or anything like that as well. So it's a pretty sturdy watch band. So let's go ahead and test out the black one real quick. And it gives you like a this hole for adjustment. And this one's the black color. Wow, feels nice. So you got this brown stitching. Well, there you go. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. I'll include the link that's going to show you within the description, and then you guys can check out this watch band. Yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.